Welcome back to my channel. Unit 6, Retirement and Death of a Partner. Meaning, when a partner leaves from partnership firm is known as retirement. Reasons for retirement may be illness, is old age, better opportunity. He may get better opportunity and disagreement with other partners. So disagreement, which means conflicts between other partners, ideas and opinions. Okay, disagreement, ஒத்து போகாதது, மற்ற பார்ட்னர்ஸோட ஒத்து போகாமல் இருக்கிறது. Right? Next, on retirement of a partner, existing agreement comes to an end. Existing means old agreement comes to an end. The firm is reconstituted. Which means it is formed again in a different way. And the other partners continue the partnership firm with a new agreement. At the time of retirement of a partner, the following adjustments should be made. At the time of retirement of a partner, the following adjustments should be made. So these are the adjustments. So first one is distribution of accumulated profits and reserves and losses. Accumulated profit and reserves and losses should be distributed among the partners, existing partners. And second adjustment is revaluation of assets and liabilities. So you have to revalue assets and liabilities of the partnership firm. Next, third adjustment, determination of new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio. So at the retirement of the partner, we have to calculate new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio. Next, fourth adjustments for goodwill. So you have to make some adjustment for goodwill also. And fifth adjustment for current year profits or loss up to the date of retirement. So we have to calculate current year's profit or loss up to the date of retirement of the partner. And last adjustment is settlement of the amount due to the retiring partner. So how to make settlement? So எப்படி settlement பண்ண போறோம் retiring partner குன்றத sixth adjustment. Let's move to the problem. Exercise problem number 1. Distribution of accumulated profits, reserves and losses. Distribution of accumulated profits, reserves and losses. Deena, Surya and Janagi are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. On 31st/3/2018, Deena retired. On the date of retirement, the books of the firm showed a reserve fund. So they have a reserve fund amount which is rupees 50,000. They ask you to prepare past journal entry to transfer the reserve fund. So at the time of the retirement of Deena, they had reserve fund rupees 50,000. So you have to pass journal entry to distribute that amount among the partners Deena, Surya and Janaki. Okay. So reserve fund should be transferred to partners capital account as per old ratio, that is 5:3:2. So what is the entry? General reserve account debit, general reserve account debited to Deena's capital account. Deena's capital account to Surya's capital account. And to Janagi's capital account. So general reserve transfer to, so you have to give narration regarding this transaction. Narration should be in brief, okay. General reserve transfer to all partners capital account in old ratio, in old profit ratio. Alright, so we have to transfer this amount, we have to distribute this amount among all the partners because it is retirement. So we have to distribute to all the partners in the old ratio. So let me calculate the amount. So what's the ratio? So 5:3:2. Amount is, so 5 so we have to count, we have to distribute in the old ratio only, that is 5:3:2. 50,000. Amount is 50,000. So find out the amount. 50,000. So 50,000 should be distributed among to 5:3:2. So it should be distributed among to all the partners, the ratio of 5:3:2. So for first 5 portion is 25,000 for first partner, and 3 portion 15,000, and 2 portion 10,000. So reserve fund amount is, write down here, debit and credit. So reserve fund amount is 50,000, and for Deena's capital, for Deena's 25,000, for Surya's 15,000, for Janagi's 10,000. So Deena's capital account 25,000, and Surya's capital 15,000, and next to Janagi's capital equal 10,000.